When you have that kid who, after that second warning or whatever it is you establish, is still kind of straggling in because they've been hanging in the bathroom, whatever, then it's like, okay, you know what? We'll talk about this at lunch. But here's the kicker. It has to be the lunch detention. I know this is hard, but it can't be a lunch detention that's being kind of served, if you will, by somebody in the office, right? It really has to be, if it's my class that you're late to, you're eating lunch with me. And sometimes I just have 10 minutes of their lunch and then I send them on their way. And I never take a whole lunch unless we have a great conversation going. And here's what I do during lunch detention. If I can, if my schedule allows it, they will have lunch with me and we'll just talk about, NASCAR or cats or hairstyles, doesn't matter to me. But it's a way for me to make a connection with the kid. Because if I make a connection through the logical consequence, they're actually more wanting to come to class because now we've kind of made a better connection. So that's how I can make lunch detentions work for me. And other times I've had kids who had to report to my class. They bring their lunch and they say, I'm here for lunch detention. And I say, okay, I'm so glad you showed up on time. Be on time in the morning. Now go to lunch and eat with your friends. I've done that one too. And kids go, what? I don't have to sit here? I say, no, obviously I have a class. I don't want you sitting here. All right. But let's not have to do this again. So I think it's all the way you handle the consequence. Once a kid shows up for that lunch detention and they show up on time, I know I'm in a good place.